How's it going, folks? This is Joe with Joe's Gaming Electronics, and we just got this in the mail, so we're gonna rip it open, kind of show you guys how it looks like. As you can see, they redesigned the AirPod design right there. I have AirPods right here, and you can see these definitely look different than what we're gonna be opening up here. Here's kind of the AirPods, the wireless case, and you can kind of take a peek of the difference between what we're looking at and what we're going to be opening up right now. And we'll go ahead and start. So it's a pretty small compact box like most of the AirPods, and here's the back of the AirPods. Pretty sweet looking. Looks like just like a shrinked version of this, honestly, if we're looking at it right here. So this will be really cool to take a peek at. And it looks like it has ear tips as well, so it seems like this is going to have much better sound quality than these, just because of noise isolation. So we'll go ahead and open this up. I was going to use this, but it looks like they got a little tab here, which is sweet. We'll just peel that open right there, and off we go. So these are the AirPods Pros, wireless charging case as well, so it has the same technology as the second generation one they had. And there we go, pop that open. Alright, wow, so it just looks like a expanded version of the original here. It just looks much wider. Pull that open. Right there. There you go. And there's the bottom of it. This is really cool. So the case is definitely much wider as we look here. So that's very funky looking. And the AirPod itself is definitely different in terms of design. It's much shorter. And it comes with an ear tip. The original one does not. It seems like it has this for either picking up noise and blocking it out, or maybe that's still where the gesture is and where this little button is on the bottom. So this is pretty interesting stuff. Really excited to try these out in my ears to see how they work. And they do have the 5th gen or Bluetooth 5.0, which is really cool. Just in terms of the range, should get about 100 feet of range, which is really awesome. Here's a charger cable, and wow, this is the first time I've seen this actually with an AirPods. But they use the Type-C connector here, and they used 8-pin charger cable. I've never seen that before. That's definitely new. We're going to tear into this, and it looks like they have the ear tips. That's a really unique way of doing that. They have the ear tips in this little pack here. You pop that open, and it kind of shows the small, medium, and large. It looks like they put the mediums already on here because it only has a package for the small and large. And there's the back of it right there. So this is really interesting to see that they just seems like they took the AirPod case, stretched it out, and then shortened up the original AirPod into this right here. And looks like they have the microphone on the bottom. I'm guessing this has some slightly better technology. There's some comparisons for you guys. Alright, well that's all I have for the unboxing here. Nothing too crazy, but definitely some changes with this one. Really excited to try this out and do a review versus the AirPods, the previous generation. And I know these are retailing for $249, and these were originally $200, so these are slightly more. Hopefully they have more features and options for it, and really excited to check this out. So you guys can check out the video we're gonna make with the comparison on the AirPods, the AirPod 2s versus the AirPod Pros, and see if these are better. Hopefully they are, and we'll let you guys know. Thanks so much for watching this video, guys. Hope you guys have a great day.